Understanding Cameras Rolling, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's very common in the world of film and photography but also pops up in everyday English conversations. Cameras rolling. Let's unpack its meaning, use, and the context in which you might hear or use it yourself. When someone says, "cameras rolling," they're indicating that the camera has started recording. This phrase is a cue for actors, speakers, or participants to begin their action or speech. It's a signal that everything from this point forward is being captured on film or video. Originally from the film and broadcast industries, this phrase has a literal meaning. In the past, cameras used film rolls to capture images, so starting the camera meant that the film roll was moving, hence, rolling. Even though modern technology no longer uses film rolls, the phrase has stuck and is still widely used. It signifies the start of a recording session, whether for movies, TV shows, or any video content. While its roots are in professional settings, cameras rolling can also be used in casual situations. For example, when filming a home video, a vlog, or even a video call, someone might say, "cameras rolling," to indicate recording has started. It's a versatile phrase that helps set the scene and lets everyone know it's time to perform or speak. For English learners, understanding and using phrases like "cameras rolling" can add a layer of fluency to your spoken English. It's a great example of how English borrows from specific contexts and incorporates them into everyday language. When you hear it, you now know recording is underway, and it might be your cue to start speaking or acting. Don't hesitate to use it in your own video projects or when practicing English with friends. We hope this exploration of cameras rolling has been enlightening and adds a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the culture and context behind the phrases we use. Happy learning, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into English language and its quirks. See you in the next video.